Dear student, today we will see like physical science model question paper 2 of Madhyamik 2025. I have asked question like we do in Madhyamik. Now we will see the exam rules. First 15 minutes only for reading question and remaining 3 hours for writing answer. Full marks 90 for regular candidates. Instruction to candidates: 1. Modest and appropriate answer will be given a special value. 2. Marks may be debarred in case of scoring untidy handwriting. Declaration: for regular candidates, the question of group A, B, C and D will have to be answered. You can take note. Now we will see the group A question. One. Multiple choice question for alternative are given as answer for each of the following question. Write the correct one. 1.1 question: which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A CO2, option B O2, option C CH4, option D N2O. Question number 2: real gas behave like ideal gas at A. high pressure and low temperature, option B low pressure and high temperature, option C low pressure and low temperature, option D high pressure and low temperature. 1.3 vapor density of a gas is 22. Volume of 22 g of the gas at STP is option A 11.2 L, option B 5.6 L, option C 22.4 L, option D 44.8 L. (1.4) The following remains unchanged during refraction of light. Option A speed of light, option B wavelength, option C frequency, option D none of these. 1.5 If in an equilateral triangle, incident angle on first face is 30 degree and emergent angle in 50 degree, then angle of division is option A 20 degree, option B 80 degree, option C 10 degree, option D 40 degree. 1.6 The correct order of oxygen power of the halogens in option A F greater than Br greater than Cl greater than I, option B Cl greater than F greater than Br greater than I, option C Cl greater less than F less than VR less than I. Option D, F greater than CL greater than VR greater than I. One point 7. If an object is placed at a distance of 20 semi in front of the object in front, at how much distance will the image be found? Option A 5 semi, option B 10 semi, option C 20 semi, option D 40 semi. 1.8. What is the ratio of equivalent resistance of a combination of n number of resistance is series and in parallel, each of value r? Option A n square, option B n, option C 1 by n, option D 1 by n square. One point 9. What is the equivalent resistance between A and B shown in figure? Figure AB in 3 ohm, AC 4 ohm, AB 2 ohm. Option A 2 ohm, option B 3 ohm, option C 1 ohm, option D 9 ohm. One point 10. Which is not a transition element? A Cu, option B Fe, option C Mn, option D Aa. One point 11. In Fleming left hand rules, middle finger denotes option A direction of magnetic field, option B direction of flow of electrons, option C direction of flow of current, option D direction of force acting on current carry conductor. 1.12. A triple bond is present in H2, option B O2, option C N2, option D F2. 1.3. In which of the following compounds the metal iron has an incomplete ox? Option A LiH, option B NaCl, option C CaO, option D MgCl2. 1.14. The ratio of the mass of hydrogen to oxygen product during electricity of water is option A 1:18, option B 2:1, option C 1:2, option D 1:3. 1.5. Which of the following is not noble metal? Option A Au, option B Ag, option C Pd, option D Fe. Comment as the get answer to questions. Now we will see the group B question. 2. Answer the following question. Alternative are to be noted. 2.1. What is the full form of CFC? Or write the symbol for methane hydrate. 2.2. Which gas acts as a crystal to destroy ozone layer? 2.3. Write with either the following statement is true or false. Under the same condition of temperature and pressure equal volumes of CO2 and O2 gas contain different a number of molecules. 2.4 Which instrument is used to measure pressure of air enclosed in a container? 2.5 What is the distance of near point from to normal eye of a human being? 2.5 or fill in the blanks. The lens of human eye is actually a dash lens. 2.6 Among the visible light, the wavelength of which color is maximum? 2.7 Keeping the relative position of an object with respect to a spherical mirror unchanged, the entire arrangement is immersed in water. Will there be any change in the position of the image? 2.8 In which one among bulb, CFL and LED is the electrical power consumed less? 2.9 How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb charge? Or right, do you understand why the term resistivity of copper in 1.68 into 10⁻⁶ ohm meter? 2.10 The household electrical instruments are connected in which combination? 2.11 Match the left column with the right column. Total question 4 left column and right column. 2.11.1 Left column solid covalent compound. Right column AN2. 2.11.2 Covalent compound with high metal melting point. B. PCl5. 2.11.3 Element contains lone pair. C. SiO2. Right column. 2.11.4 Expand octet rules follows. Right column T C6H12C6. 2.12 Write the name of the inter-element present in the third period of the periodic table. 2.13 Which is the most electropositive non-radioactive alkyne metal? Or name a radioactive noble gas. 2.14 In which group of long from periodic table solid, liquid and gaseous element are present. 2.15 Between Na plus and Na, which one is more stable? Or between NaCl and HCl, which one is a non-electrolyte in its pure state? 2.16 Name a liquid which conduct electricity but is not an electrolyte. 2.17 Which type of electricity is used during electrolysis, AC or DC? Or name an organic acid which can conduct electricity in its aqueous solution. 2.18 What is voltmeter? Comment as to get answer to question. Now we will see the group C question. 3. Answer the following questions. Alternative are to be noted. 2 into 9 is equal to 19. Each question marks 9. 3.1 Why does temperature increase with increasing highest at the stratosphere? 3.2 To what temperature must a gas at 300 K be cooled in order to reduce its volume to 1.3 of its original volume, pressure remaining constant? 3.2 Or the temperature of a gas of a certain mass is 27 degrees Celsius. The gas is heated in such a way that its pressure and volume and doubled. Calculate the find temperature of the gas. 3.3 Draw a diagram to show that infrared ray and the emergent ray are parallel to each other in case of reflection of light through a rectangular glass block. 3.3 Or what is myopia? How this defect is version can be remedied. 3.4 What change in the rotation of bolus wheel will be observed if 1. Extent of current be increased, option B. Positions of the poles be reversed. 3.5 How does electronegative of the Ilford change across a period on moving from left or right. Explain which with resource. 3.5 or defined electronegatively. Name of the most electronegatively and the last electronegatively elements. 3.6 Why any ionic compound pressure highest boiling point and melting point. 3.7 State 2 important characteristics of the ionic bond. 3.8 The atomic numbers of X and Y and 6 and 17 respectively. A compound X Y4 is formed what type of bonding extent in the compound and Y. 3.8 or write to difference between covalent compound and ionic compound. 3.9 Why is chloride and fused pair added to aluminum during extension of aluminum by electrolytic method? 3.9 or question in modern form of periodic table the following elements belongs to which group of periodic Al and Ca? Now we will see the group D question. 4. Answer the following question. Alternative are to be noted. 3 into 12 is equal to 6. Each question mark 3. 4.1 Write down Charles' law and explain it. Given one arrangement is forever of the mutability of gas molecules. 4.2 2.5 G of an impure sample of sodium bicarbonate when strongly having heated given 300 ml carbon dioxide measured of 27 degrees Celsius and 760 mm pressure. Calculate the percentage pure of the sample. Na is equal to 23, C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16. 4.2 or what weight of zinc and sulfuric acid will be required of product energy hydrogen to reduce completely 8.5 grams CuCO2 Cu. Zn is equal to 6.3 and Cu is equal to 63.5. 4.3 Establishing of a relationship between focal length and radius of curvature of a convex mirror for pixel ray, or defined absolute reflective index. Next question, what are the factors on which reflective index of a medium depends? (4.4) If a light ray passed through prism, then show that the volume of angle of division delta is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. Hence symbols are used practical scenes. 4.5 Show with the help of ray diagram how a convex lens can be used as magnifying lens defined optical center of a lens. 4.5 Or if a ray of light incident on a parallel glass slab at an angle I, the angle between the reflective ray and the reflected ray is 90 degree. Show that reflective index of glass is equal to 10 I. Next question, 4.6 Write Faraday's 2 law of electromagnetic induction. Next question, why Barlow's wheel does not work in AC. 4.6 Or write down Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. 4.7 The length of a conduction becomes tricks keeping its value unchanged. The initial resistance of the wire is 10 ohm. What will be its final resistance? 4.8 Write down the difference between a dynamo and an electric motor. What does the statement that EMF of a cell is 1.5 volt? 4.9 The atomic notes. The three elements A, B and C are 3, 11, 90 respectively. A. Question A. In which group of the predictable and are the three elements studied? B. Question B. Among them, the metallic property of which is through highest. Question 3. Write the formula and nature of the compound formed during reaction of chlorine B. 4.10 Explain formation of the following molecules with electron dot structure: CaO, HCl, HS3. 4.10 Or describe how a C2H2 molecules is formed with the help of Lewis dot diagram. What is octet rules? 4.11 Describe the major difference of conduction of electricity by a metallic conductor and a solution of an electrolyte. 4.12 Explain. Oxidation occurs at anode and radiation occurs at cathode. What is electroplating? 4.12 What should be taken as electrolyte anode and cathode to apply nickel coating on iron spoon through the method of electroplating? Next is, what change of a electrolyte does occurs during electrolysis, physical or chemical? Physical science model question paper 1 English version are given in the channel. You can check to the students of 2025 Madhyamik. Your exam is good. Thank you.